From dawn to dusk, toilets are flushing, showers are spraying. We use water and create sewage constituting 150 to 200 litres per day. If unaddressed, this sewage can cause waterborne diseases. In India, sewage treatment plants treat around 20%, while 80% remain untreated. Yes, sewage treatment plants are inevitable for an urban infrastructure. Sintex offers the most modern solution for sewage treatment. Sintex Package STP is housed in an FRP underground tank having a lifespan of over 50 years. There are 3 stages of treating the sewage. The solid separation zone processes the incoming waste and separates the suspended solids. It settles the sludge by decomposing the bacteria that grows in the absence of air, thus helping in 30 to 40% BOD removal. The film aeration zone provides the FRP cage in which the floating plastic media increases the surface area of the system. Air blowers facilitates the bacterial growth, forming a biofilm layer, which digests the organic waste faster. Here, BOD removal is around 60%. The final sedimentation zone clears the water by settling the healthy organisms at the bottom of the tank, which are pumped back to the solid separation zone as a return sludge. These organisms increase the efficiency of the system, ensuring the effluent quality that meets the stipulated Pollution Control Board standards. With Sintex STP, the benefits are manifold. Biochemical oxygen demand removal of 90 to 95% remains uniform throughout the year. Therefore, sludge handling is only required once in 2 years. There is no footprint as the system is underground and can be placed anywhere. Due to FRP material, there is no fungal growth or root integration. Energy consumption is reduced by 70%. Quick installation, upgrades and relocation if required. No load or peak load. Sintex STP is durable with more than 50 years shelf life. Now, the treated water is ready to continue its journey of the water cycle. Sintex protects the globe and you from dawn to dusk.
सिंटेक्स पानी अपना साफ सेफ सही।